And there we go. Another wood-fired pizza. Looking really good. Yeah, that one is chicken, garlic, caramelized onions, fresh basil, low-fat mozzarella, parmesan, homemade crust, and Mama Giovanni's tomato sauce. Oh yeah, there you go. And a little bit of fresh basil. That one's good to go. Check it out. I'll be back. Hard cutting board, food, water and a whetstone, and then you store it. Thanks for watching. That's the video. Have a beautiful day. Keep cooking. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. You can score all the tools there. And be cool. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Have a great day. Yeah, that's the quality stuff right there. That's what I'm talking about. You're not going to get this quality if you go with the cheap brands, the cheap crap that's out on the market, mass produced in those factories. This is handmade, one by one, rock maple butcher block. Made in America, super high quality. Just check out your sponsor. They're having some sales on there and some good deals. You can't go wrong. This block here is over 10 years old. Yeah, I love it. Keep cooking and have a great day. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next we have Liptus. Liptus is a farm-raised wood from South America. Very beautiful. I love the color. I love the grain. It's hard, hard stuff. It's just about like maple. Next we have maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very, very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. And here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see, you get what you pay for. I don't use these, and well, I don't know if you should either. Anyway, check it out. They're all in stock, chefdepot.com. Have a great day.